If you see the warning starting system fault in a Ford F150 or basically any other model, one thing you should try before you spend any money is reconnecting the interior fuse box that's located in the passenger's footwell. The problem is that there is a connector that comes loose and may intermittently cut power from one part of the fuse box. This means that a lot of functions will suddenly stop working, and this will lead to a serious glitch in the brains of your truck. There have been literally thousands of people who found this trick helpful and could avoid a visit to the dealership. So take out the plastic cover and locate the bottom connector of the fuse box. Take it out carefully and then reconnect firmly, locking the plastic locks. Make sure it sits tightly and doesn't seem like it's going to fall off again soon. It would be nice to disconnect the battery before you do this to prevent any voltage anomalies in the car. After that, this starting system fault message should be gone and you should be able to start the truck easily. And then if this doesn't help, you should carefully check all the fuses in the engine compartment fuse box that are connected with ignition, fuel pump, injection system, etc. Also pay attention to the big fuses that control the body control module. Also, initially the warning starting system fault pops up because the immobilizer system can't recognize the key. You may try the second key or also disconnect the 12-volt battery for several minutes to reset the immobilizer system. Sometimes this will help you eliminate the warning and the car may work properly after that. Other than that, I've only seen completely dead batteries causing this warning, but this would give you other obvious symptoms and it's usually easy to spot.